I'm sharing my screen. Keep that question paper ready with you. And July 2023. One. Okay, they have some. They have given some code. Yeah, sorry, I can't copy that code. So I try to write the code here. It's not in this code. We have to make a dry run. That's it. Outcome. Try to write the code along with me. Nothing but the code which you have, which was given in your paper. That is what I am writing here. Outcome comma code. Let's try to make it dry run first, and afterwards, let's see what will be the output here. I, not one. It is I. This is the code they have given. Give the output produced by the sequence. Okay, let's see the output of this code first. Here we have taken a range 3, 15, 3. 3, 15, 3 is nothing but starting point is nothing but lower bound, upper bound, and lower bound, upper bound, and step. Okay. Lower bound, upper bound, and step. That means you will get 3 as the first in the first step. You will get 3. I value become 3. Then we have a step of 3, right? Then you will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, up to 12. It will not consider 15 because it is it will not consider upper bound. For loop will not consider upper bound. Okay. Now let's see the output here. Outcome. We know the value of outcome. Okay. And also n is equal to this empty space means you will get the this print statement side by side, not one by one. Okay. You will get in horizontal. Okay. So print outcome means you 0 will get printed because we know the outcome value here. Now here maximum is equal to maximum plus outcome. Okay. This already we have done this in increment I equal to I plus 1, I equal to I minus 1. The same way here they are doing. Okay. We know the value of maximum here 30 plus 0. The value of 30 plus 0 is 30. Okay. So my maximum will become 30 here. And my can you tell me the what is outcome here? if it is not possible, just keep a message, drop a message in the chat box else. Just try to answer it. Okay, it's very easy. We have the values of outcome and we have value of I here. What would be the output here? Just I want to get the value of outcome here. What will be the value of outcome? 0. Okay, let's see. We have outcome as 0 and we have I value here. I value is 3, no? 0 minus 3. So it will become minus 3. Okay, it will not, it is not 0, it is minus 3. Okay, just observe the output here. Okay, observe the code here. What the thing happening in the line by line, you have to check it. Okay, now as it is for loop, we have range, it will go to the next number, that is nothing but 6. Okay, now just tell me what will be printed here. What is the value of outcome here? It's not 3 minus 3. Okay, yeah. Because here I got minus 3, right? 0 minus 3 is minus 3, right? So 3, 6, 9, 12 is my range. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 9, 12 is my range. Let's see the line by line. Okay, yeah. Here, what will be my maximum value? What will be my maximum value? Maximum value is 30. We know, or the recent maximum value is 30. Okay, what is the outcome here? Minus 3, right? So you will get 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. Okay, your maximum value became 27 now. Now, in this line, what now? Just tell me what is the outcome value here. We have outcome value 27. That is maximum value, right? 27 is my maximum value. What I am asking about outcome. I have minus 3 as my outcome, right? Minus 3. What is the I value I got after loop 6, right? Minus 6. Minus 9 will be my outcome value. Okay, minus 9 will be my outcome value. Again, I'm going to the next loop. It is nothing but 9. Just tell me what is my outcome value here. Don't get confused. Okay, you have to remember the recent values of maximum and outcome, then you will not get confused. You should not go here. Okay, you should not go here, or you should not consider this range. Okay, just tell me the outcome value. After minus 3, I got minus 9. Recent outcome value is minus 9. Okay, minus 9 is my recent outcome value. Okay, now what will be my maximum value now? $18. Let's see. 27 minus 9. 80. Okay, right, nice. Okay, I got 80. Yeah, just tell me my outcome value now. outcome is -9. No, not -6. I have -9 already. I have my outcome value as -9, right? And the recent I value is -9. So -9 is equal to -18. Okay, -18 is my outcome value. -18 is my outcome value, and this is the next value I am getting. Okay, 12. Now just tell me what is the maximum value here. What is my recent outcome and what is my recent maximum value I got? Just tell me that. Observe the code. I have written each and every point over there. You have to observe what is happening over there and you have to answer. What is the logic behind night? Here, my recent maximum value is 18. Okay, 18. And recent outcome value is -18. Okay, 18 minus 18, you will get 0. Okay. Now, what will be my outcome here? Outcome -18 minus 18 is my recent outcome value, and -12 is my I value. 12 is my I value. So we have a difference here. So I'll get -30. Loop ended because there is no other range. Okay, it has ended up to 9, not 13, -30. Okay, if you are getting confused, I will explain one second. Okay, so here an empty line, and what is the final maximum value I got? What is the last final recent maximum value I got? Just tell me. This is my recent. Okay, this is my recent maximum value. Okay, 0 is the last value, right? 0 is the last value I got. You are telling about this outcome, but recent outcome also I got -30. But here they didn't set to print any outcome value. So my maximum value is 0, and two statements will get printed. This line 0, -3, -9, and -18, and you will get in the an empty. Yesterday we have used, right? An empty print means it will go to the next line, and you will get 0 as your maximum value. Just check the code. The same code or you have the same code or not in your question paper. That is, we have some. Oh, it is not M, it is N. Okay. Yeah, I got 0, -3, -9, -18, and 0. Okay. Do you have any doubts in this program? Because it is very important to know writing in a code by seeing question is somewhat difficult, but you should able to answer the output of the code by seeing the code. Okay, it is not a complex code also. It is a simple code only. You can easily tell this code. There is no inbuilts and all in this code, so you can easily answer this. Okay, uh, if you are getting confused in any of the line, just tell me. I'll explain you from there. Just give me any response. Yeah. Okay. If you are getting confused, I will share you the same Python file, and also I'll share you the recording. Yeah. Okay. I'll share you the recording also. If you have any doubts, you can go through that. Okay. Now we have done the first one. Let's go into let's go into what is 1B here. Yeah, 1B they have given some code, and you have to give two inputs. Okay. You provide two inputs for the lucky number. Main function cool. Enter your lucky number. Okay. Okay. I'll I'll write in this file only. Okay. Comment this. I'll write in this file only. 1A, 1B, and you have 1C. Yeah, you also have 1C, right? So I'll write in this column. If they have given a function name, and num is equal to int of input and number. If my number divided by 3, and if I get my remainder as 0, and if my number is greater than 3, then print it is a good day. And if my number is equal to 7, exactly if my number is 7, then I print 7. Okay, 7. Okay. And if it will check each and every condition until the condition gets satisfied. If it is satisfied at only if condition, then it will not check any other conditions. Okay, because we are writing if else ladder here equal to less than or equal to 3, or my number is greater than 9, then I'll print here or there, here or there. And the last one, else print main function, call the main function. Okay. Okay. When the main function executes, it will ask for an integer. Okay, lucky number. Enter your lucky number. Provide two inputs for the lucky number, such that main function prints cool. What are those two inputs? Do you got this point? Provide two inputs means. Okay, let's see the let's try to print only cool first. I'll try to print is a good day first, and after that lucky 7. Try to give a number to print cool. First of all, I will run this program. Yeah, I got enter your lucky number. Okay, chart ready. Yeah. Okay. I'll try to print is a good day. Okay, so my number should divide by 3. Okay, if I give 9 or 6, I'll get is a good day. Is a good day. Okay, if my okay, it is also easy. If I give 7, I'll get directly as lucky 7. Okay, uh, here or there. If my number is less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 3. Yeah, here you can give any number like 20. You will get here or there because my number is greater than 9. Here any one of the condition should get satisfied. Okay, so that you will get here or there. Can you tell me how we will get cool here? So that all the conditions should not get satisfied here. Can you tell me that number? What is that number? Yeah. Can you tell me that number? Let's take one first. Okay. If you are unable to, let's take one first. 1 is not divisible by 3, so it will go here. If 1 is not equal to 7, it will go here. 1 is less than or equal to 3, so I'll get here or there. If I give 2, 2 is not divided by 3, so 2 is not equal to 7. Here also it will get satisfied, so I'll here or there will get splitted. Coming to 3, 3 is divided by 3, you will get remainder as 0. So 3 is not greater than 6. So here we have 3 greater than 3. It is false because if you have greater than or equal, then it will get true. Okay. Uh, so this condition will not get satisfied. Uh, yeah, here 3 is equal to 3. False. 3 is less than or equal. It is equal to 3. Here we have or condition. No? So here one condition got satisfied. Again, I will here or there will get printed. Now coming to 4, 4 divided by 3, it is false condition. You will not get remainder as 0. 4 equal to 7, it is not, it is false condition. Now, 4 less than or equal to 3, false. 4 is greater than, right? Now, 4 is greater than 9, it is also false. So, there is a possibility to get whole when we give input as 4. Okay, 4. I think we have the 2 inputs means you have to give 2 numbers that get satisfied. Okay, 2 numbers. 4 got satisfied. Again, we have to give another input. Let's go with 5. 5 percentile 3. You will not get remainder 0. Here both the conditions should get satisfied, right? So uh, if one condition is false, then it will not consider this if statement. Okay. Now it will go to here 5 equal to 7, false. 5 less than or equal to 3, it is false, and we have to consider 2 conditions here. Okay, any one of the condition will get satisfied means this condition will get true. Okay, this elif statement will become true. Okay, now 5 greater than 9, it is also false. So when you give 5 as your input, you will get cool. Okay, coming to 6, you will get this condition. 7, you will get this condition will get satisfied. And coming to 8, 8 is less than or equal false. 8 is 8 also. I think 8 is also satisfied. Okay. Coming to 9, yeah, 9 means this condition will get satisfied. Okay. This is how you can able to do 1B. Okay. Let's go with 1C. What is 1C? Okay. In main function below, complete the 4 calls to the test. Okay. Here also they have given a code. Yeah, try to write the code. You also along with me. Okay. so that you'll get on left test selection x, y, z. If x is greater than y and not x is greater than z, print if not x greater than or equal to y. Else, if x is greater than y or x is greater than or equal to z, I'll print C3. Print the last condition C4 and another function called main. In that test selection. Okay, first of all, I'll try to get C1 as my output, and after that C2, I should get my output C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay. Yeah. Try to give me the output. Okay. First, I have to get C1 as my output. Okay. To get C1, to get C1, x should be greater than y and x should be greater than z. So I'll take xy values as 10, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, I got C3. Why x is greater than y and x is greater than z, right? Oh, sorry. It should not greater than z. Okay. It should not greater than z. So well, I got C1. Nice. Now, can you tell me the inputs here? Try to tell the inputs. X should be greater than or equal to y. Okay. Try to tell the output. Have to consider three numbers that should get only satisfied for this condition. Then only you will get C2. It should not satisfy this statement. Okay. X should not be greater than or equal to y. It should not be greater than or equal to y. For example, I have taken 10 as my. It should not be greater than y. So I'll take 12 as my. Should not be greater than. Should not. Yeah. Okay. I'll take 5. Yeah, I got C2. Okay. Test selection. At least try to tell this answer. Okay. So these two statements should not get satisfied. Okay. At least try to tell that C3, how to print C3. You have x should be greater than y, or x, it should be greater than y. Okay. Or yeah, you can do that. You can do that. Try to tell the inputs. We can move to the next one. We are in still the first question only. Just try to tell them. See the conditions over there. Try to give any of any inputs. Okay. Try to give any inputs. Let's try with those inputs only by doing some modifications. 15, 18, 20. 15, 18, 20. Let's see. X is greater than Y. Yeah. Okay. Y is greater here. Okay. We have another condition called X is greater than or equal to Z. X is not greater than or not equal. I am getting still C2. If I give 15 here, X is greater than or equal to 15. Sorry, this Z. Even though I am getting C2 only. Now let's do some modifications. X is greater than Y. X is, I'll take 18 and here I'll take 12. X is greater than Y. One condition got satisfied here. I got C3. I got C3. This selection. The last one. All the conditions should not get satisfied. If I take 3 zeros, you'll get, but let's take numbers only. First, I'll take some 5, some 6, and 7. Yeah. X is greater than Y. This condition is not satisfied, so it will not print C1. X is greater than or equal to Y. It is not equal to, is not greater. This condition will get satisfied. So I'll consider 8. X is greater than Y. Oh, here the condition will get satisfied. So what I'll do is, mainly I have to check these two conditions should not get satisfied. So I'll take smaller X value, and okay, this condition will not get satisfied. I'll go with this one now. X is greater than Y. Okay, here the false condition. X is greater. Yeah, let's try to execute this. Again, I am getting C to Y. Oh, yeah, it is not. So it should be less. Greater or equal to Y. Not. Here, any one of the condition will get satisfied. Yeah. Okay. It is not greater, not equal. Okay. Easy. Just you have to think what is happening here. Okay. Here there is nothing complex here. Just we are comparing the numbers. That's it. Okay. You have to think here. Okay. Just you have to keep more concentration on these conditions. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Now let's move to 2A and 2B. Okay. Yeah, here I think, yeah, we have to write a code here for 2A and 2B. We have to write code. Entire you need to submit. An anagram is a word formed by okay. Create a Python function to check if the two words are anagram. Okay, is anagram. Okay, here we have to give two inputs. Returns true if both words have the same letters. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay, let's try to do that. Is anagram. This is my function name. This is my function name. Def is anagram. They said to use like this. It has to take two words. Okay, two words in string format. Just true. Ignoring cases. Otherwise, okay. Here it is also ignoring upper and lower case. That means, however you give the inputs, it has to uh, take that one. Okay. Strike. It has to compare. Okay. Try to execute the code first. Return. I have to take two words. I'll return. I'll return. Sorted off. Sorted means you will get words in alphabetical order. For example, if you have apple, will come A, E, L. You will get sorted in alphabetical order. Okay. Sorted off. Word one is equal to sorted off word. You will get true or false. That's it. Then I'll give two words as Santa, Santa, Santa. Okay. SANTA, 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 and SATAN, Saturn. Okay, here they have also mentioned it should we have to give in string format. SATA is anagram of Santa and SATAY. Santa and let's see the output. String is not dependent. Just we have to take str. Str. I'm getting nothing here. Okay. I'm getting true and false. But here the thing is, in question paper we have a capital S. Capital S. You will get false because here they are comparing small and capital letters. So what you have to do is you have to make it upper or lower, whatever it may be. Not upper. Only in one case. Whatever the word for example, you have given Santa, right? In small letters, it will consider it will change to uppercase, and you will get order as NST like that. Okay, you will get true now. you can consider upper or lower. If you have any conditions to write it as lower, then you can use lower, or else you can use it as upper. Okay. Yeah, we got the first one got satisfied. We have written the code. Yeah, yeah, true and false. Yes. Now 2b, making use of function 2a, write a combined code user to enter two words and display. Getting second word is an anagram of the first word. Okay, right. Yeah. Here, what is the condition is you have to write a code by using the above this code. Okay. Comments by using this code. Okay. I will share you these Python files. Just uncomment these comment section and you can execute the code. Okay. No. By using these function, you have to say it whether it is anagram of first word or not. Okay. You have to. Okay. They have given also a condition like you have when you enter X as the first word, it should come out. Yeah, it should come out of the. So here indirectly it is saying that it is an uh, infinite loop. Infinite loop is nothing but while loop. We have to give two words. Okay, two words. W1 words means you have to give input, not int. Okay, when you are trying to give an string, you have to give like this. Okay. Yeah, enter first word, enter second word. Enter word. And W2 input, enter second word. Okay. Now, if W1 dot upper, we can use, okay, directly we can use is anagram here. There is no need of, if is anagram of W1, W2. If it is anagram, then directly you can give the output as word to is an print. I'll copy the statement. Okay. Uh, got is not heavy. I will make it in a F string. This got is nothing but word two, I think. Yeah, got is the word two. So directly I'll give W2 and this W1. Okay, it is an anagram. Else, else print W1. Okay, let's try to execute the code. Got, sorry, dot and got, right? I'll execute got and got. Got is not an anagram of dot. Yeah. Teacher and cheater. Teacher and cheater. Cheater is an anagram of teacher because each and every alphabet which you have in word 1, you will have in word 2. And the other condition is when you click X, you should get, you should come out of the loop. Okay, let's try to. Okay, if my word 1, because the first word, if I click X, it should come out of the loop, right? Word 1 is equal to X. I'll make it a unique, maybe it may be upper or lower, so we have to consider that. X. I'll, is there any print statement? Yeah, I have a print statement called by. Print by, and I'll come out of the loop. Let's see the dot dot check cheater. Yeah, and finally X capital or small. Okay, even though I'm getting the second word, I should not get like that. If my word is over, get by, right? My word dot just see the code whether I have done something wrong. Just see the code. If my word is X, my W1 is equal to X. Maybe it is upper or lower. I should come out of the loop. Yeah, I'll give X to come out of the loop, right? It is, I think it is considering. Strip is nothing but when you give unwanted spaces, it will remove. Okay, you can use or else you cannot. It's only right. X. Should not get the second word. Oh, okay, okay. I got the point. Here the thing is you have to write this code after this word 1 only. Okay, that's why I'm getting that error. So it is correct only. So maybe you, if you give capital also, it will make into small and it will consider that X. Okay, if you use upper, then you have to compare with capital X. Okay, now I'll give capital X. It will make lower and it will come out of the loop. Okay, this is about 2B, right? 2B. Now we have another question, 3A. 3. They have given some list. Shall I continue with the third question or we can continue tomorrow? as you wish. If you want me to continue, I will continue.
We can continue tomorrow, sir.
All about today's class. I will share you these code files, and if you need explanation, just I will share you the class tomorrow. Okay. We have to the previous class also. I think we have missed to send the class. I'll share the class in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay then. Have a nice day. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Sharon.